Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from T-Mobile. Alright, so let's just go over what this unlocking will actually do. So this is for people that want to be able to use another company, another carrier. You're not happy with your current carrier and you want to be able to just freely change to a different carrier and not be tied down to any company or any contract. Keep in mind, if you do already have a contract in place, you'll have to finish that somehow, find a solution for it somehow. Because it is a contract, but with this unlock, you will be able to use another carrier with your iPhone. So that's what it's for. It's to be able to unlock your phone to use it with other companies. Also, if you want to travel overseas to another country, you need to have your phone unlocked to be able to use it with those other companies overseas as well. So that's what this video is for. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna be unlocking an iPhone XS from T-Mobile. All right, so first thing you wanna do is remove your SIM card. And let's place in a SIM card from any carrier that you wanna use. You may wanna use Verizon, AT&T, Xfinity, Metro PCS, Cricket, or any other prepaid GSM carrier like Simple Mobile, H20, etc. Or you may wanna use it, you may wanna unlock it to use it overseas. Let's place in a Verizon SIM card. All right, so get your Verizon SIM card, place it in the SIM card tray, there you go, and place it into the iPhone XS. So right away, it's gonna take you to this activation screen where you have to go ahead and follow the prompts here, hit continue, make sure you connect to Wi-Fi. And here it's going to give us the message, SIM not supported. And the reason it does this is because the phone is locked to T-Mobile. So, when you try and use it with another SIM card from another carrier, it's going to say SIM not supported. It's not going to let you do it. So you need to unlock it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Go ahead and remove that Verizon SIM card very quickly. Let's put it right here. And how we're going to be unlocking it is with this unlock chip that we have. We're going to have a link to it down below in the description where you can get it, and it unlocks your iPhone XS. So go ahead and place the thin unlock chip here on the SIM card tray, like that. Go ahead and place the Verizon chip right above it, right on it, like that. There you go. And just place it back in your phone. Place it in there gently. And once again, it's going to take us here to the activation screen. Just hit continue. All right, and we're going to get the message SIM not supported once again. But what we have to do now is we have to put in a ICCID code to go along with the unlock chip to unlock the iPhone. So go ahead and press the power button. The emergency menu is going to appear. Hit emergency call. Here you're gonna dial star 5005 star 7672 star 0#, and then hit dial. It's gonna give us this message up here. Just scroll down to edit ICCID. And here's where we're gonna type in the ICCID. We're also gonna have it down below in the description. It's 8901 4104 2792 0258 7523. Go ahead and hit send once you have it all typed in. It's gonna say setup okay, restart your phone now. So hit accept, and let's go ahead and restart the phone. So I'm gonna hold both buttons, slide to power off, and then after a few seconds, just go ahead and power it back on. All right, so there we go, the phone powered on. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit continue once again. And there we go. Now with the unlock chip and the correct ICCID, the phone will unlock. As you can see, it's searching for signal. And your calls, messages, data, internet picture messages, everything will work normally as it should. And also the good thing about these new unlock chips now is that once you unlock your iPhone, you can go ahead and take it out. So you don't have to leave it in there anymore like the older ones. So let's go ahead and take out the Verizon SIM. Just put it right here. And remove the unlock chip. Just place that on the side over here. And let's go ahead and just place the Verizon chip back in without the unlock chip. And as you can see, since the phone is unlocked, it's not going to take you to that activation screen anymore. Searching for signal. And the phone stays unlocked. All right, you can also use any other carrier that you wish to use it on, either in the US or internationally overseas. So that was just a quick video, everyone. Hope it helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.